Welcome everyone and welcome back to Pepe video update today, and it's we're trading at 15,754 at the current time right now. We had a little bit of a pump yesterday which was unexpected, probably took out some stop losses for the people who are too bearish, and once again we are down back to 15,000, which is a little bit frustrating. I do understand that. Now before you even progress, for June I actually do have a private channel where I make some trades, and I'm looking forward to give 6 different coins for the people who are actually going to join my Discord. And I do want people to be with me until 2025 because there's an idea that I have, and I think if you want to be a part of my vision, that would be amazing. If you really want to support Adam or something like that, it's $10 per month, and you're gonna get like money management, risk management, signals, whatever, portfolio management. A lot of things going to happen. So the thing is that right now for Pepe, there is a place where I'm looking forward to on the daily time frame. If I dive into the daily time frame, there's a place where Pepe is failing to cross, and right now I'm gonna take, before I take the trend line, this candle that you see right there, with the wick, the green candle, is called as shooting star, and probably shooting stars are not so good. They are meant to be a little bit bearish. They can take the candles to the downside almost in the future. What I'm going to do is take the trend line here, and I'm going to draw this trend line right there. So if I show you this trend line right over there, it seems like it's a perfect resistance that is being forming for Pepe. So you can already see that you got right over there rejection to the downside, you got right over here again, and another rejection to the downside, and then you have another rejection. So that's the upper resistance. Now let's talk about the lower support. In my opinion, I do see a lower support as well. So I'm gonna take the trend line from there, and we're gonna actually come in and do something like that. Do you see that? So that's where the support is actually coming in for Pepe. So I'm just gonna drag this a little bit like that, and that's this is the support right there. You do have 2-3 supports here, one support right there. It could actually be that Pepe does come a little bit down here, and that's going to be all the way down to 14,200, and then when you go to 14,200, pump back up a little bit all the way to again 18,000. So in the middle here, you do have an opportunity for you. I'm just going to take the measurement tool here, and if it does come down to the lowest part of this trend line, you can make it, trade it all the way up for a 26%, which is not bad, which is actually pretty decent. So this is going to be more clear when I dive into the 1 hour time frame, the smaller time frame right there, and you can already see that, yeah, it's actually very, very clear to me as well. You can see that you got this one touch there, second touch, third touch, got one touch here, second one, third one. So just come a little bit down here and then push back up, and the decision comes in by the end of the month. That's when we're going to get to know if you can pop up like this and start to shoot to the upside, or you're going to go like this sideways and start to go to the downside. I don't know what's the date today, actually 22 of May. Today's 22 of May, and we do have like 8 to 9 more days to actually make a decision. And I don't know why I have a bad feeling, and I can expect anything. Okay, I'm very neutral because triangles are determined after you break. I mean, Pepe can surprise me as well and try to move back up as well. I cannot say anything about it. It's a shit coin. The community, if the community pushes it, they can push it to the upside. You just never know what happens. If people get a little bit more bearish, boom, you're gonna go up. Or if people get way too bullish about Pepe, then it's gonna go down. But triangles are very tricky. I've seen places where you just move sideways like this, break through the triangle, go to the technical target, and then finally go even down. So triangle are a little bit scary, a little bit funny, so be very careful. Keep an eye on the channel and the updates as well. And that's it for this quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.